Hey, ew. What's wrong, babe? Meat. Ew. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, guys, it's me, Kiro Star, and Jacob Sparks here with the vlog. I don't know what number. Maybe 12? 13? I don't know. Come on. So we're gonna show you the tractor, guys. Well, not all of our friends are there. Some of the friends are playing around with the stupid grill. Okay, guys. See if we can get out. Ew, spider. Think you can handle it, babe? Of course. Okay, let me find something to get that spider off there, like a stick. Stick. Where's the stick? Where's the stick? There's a stick. There's a stick. Yucky. Guys, there's a stick, so let's see if we can get the spider off there so we can climb onto it. Ah, gotcha. Okay, guys, let's get on the tractor. Yeah, cobwebs everywhere, guys. Okay, guys, so what's up? It's Jacob Sparks here. Oh, yeah. So Kira's pretty much going to be showing you the tractor because you haven't seen much of her, okay? Hi, guys. Hey, guys, look. Driving a tractor. Woohoo! Okay, sorry about that. So, let me introduce you to the tractor. The tractor's name is Betty. Betty. That's what the dad named her. But she's a really good tractor so far. She gets rid of all the grass. Almost got rid of all the grass and the dirt. And left us just the dirt. Ah! Whoa, be careful. Okay. Okay, so guys, let's introduce you to the tractor. The tractor's name is Betty, as I said. So this is pretty cool. Got turtle. Go up to rabbit. Woo! Woo! It says turtle and rabbit on that sign because, remember, the turtle went faster than the rabbit. Yeah, whatever. What's this? Oh, I know. And that's where you put the key in. The ignition. Let me get the key out. Hold on, guys. Okay, this is the key. It's a pretty cool key for some reason. It's not trying. Oh crap, I dropped the key, guys. So let's see if I can get it. Let's put it back in the ignition. Okay, guys. So the key's back in the ignition, and I'm being pretty cool about the meat on the floor here. Oh, and this is pretty cool too. Push down the button, push down. Woo! Okay, guys. So that's not all of the tractor. We're gonna give you a full glimpse of it. Whoa. And maybe you'll get to see Jacob show off driving the tractor. He's not going to be driving, but he likes being in the seat. Okay, guys. Here we go. So this is Betty. She's in good shape, sort of. It's pretty cool. Betty's really cool, actually. There's my little Sagey. Oh, not my Sagey. Sorry, guys. It's not Sagey, it's Jakey. I love Jakey. I stepped on the meat. Yuck! And that's moldy meat. So there's my little Jakey. Babe, stop showing me off. Woo! I'm driving a tractor. No! Okay, guys. Sorry about that. You're no fun. Thank you. Okay, guys. I did that because there's more to show you of the tractor. Okay, so guys, if you go like, there's something dead over there, so if you go like this, that's where the oil is. I mean the gas. Springs, ring, ring, ring. Okay, there's some gloves. Yucky. More gloves. Yucky. I don't know what this thing is. but it looks pretty cool. That thing. These. Okay, guys. So that was the view of the tractor. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a cool glimpse of me driving the tractor. Okay, for real, I'm gonna drive it. Wee-hoo! Driving a tractor. Okay, guys, that's the tractor view. See you next time. Let me get Jakey. I hit my paw. It hurt, but I'm good. I'm not bleeding. I'm not bleeding. Hi, Jakey. Hi, babe. A lot of cool cars. Yep. So everybody's still playing around. Hey. Someone help me with this. Uh-oh. Oh. I'm strong. Ow. You may be strong, but you just hurt me. There's nothing in there but cobwebs and dust. Ow. Ow. Okay, guys, that was the tractor tour. Hope you liked it. Bye. Subscribe, comment, like, dislike. Bye.